You have successfully completed key steps to create a Spring Data project and you are ready to test it. To test it, we can use the generated test class, go to source test Java, open up the test class that was generated when we created the project, double click to maximize it. This is a Spring test which uses JUnit. It is marked with Spring Boot test. That is what marks this class as a Spring test class. And it will be run using the Spring runner. Instead of the default JUnit test runner, it will be run using the Spring runner. And the only test method inside it does not have any body, but it is marked with @test annotation. So when this test is run, it will look for a class on the class path which is marked with @Spring Boot application, and it will automatically run that class. So when this test is run here, although it doesn't have any body, it will make sure that everything in Spring is wired properly. That is, our Hibernate is configured properly, the database connections are being created, all that information is correct. And if we are wiring any beans, one bean into another bean, all that wiring is done, or the dependency injection is done properly. We can ensure all that by simply running this test class. So right click, go to run as JUnit test. That will run the single test, and if it turns green, that means our project is in a healthy state and we can start. Go to the second tab here which says progress, and it's all green. You can also go to the JUnit view here, and it's all green, so we don't have any issues. So the context loads worked fine. Starting the next lecture, you will perform the CRUD operations using our product repository by writing tests inside this test class.